Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Efficient XML Data Extraction in Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. XML, extensible markup language, is a popular format for storing and exchanging structured data. When dealing with a large number of XML files, efficient data extraction becomes crucial. In this tutorial, we'll explore the most efficient way to extract information from a large number of XML files using Python, focusing on the lxml library for parsing XML data. Table of contents. Before we get started, make sure you have Python 3.x installed on your system. To work with XML files efficiently, you'll need the lxml library. You can install it using pip. lxml is a high-performance library for processing XML and HTML documents. It's based on the elementtree API and provides both a SAX and a DOM interface. lxml is known for its speed and memory efficiency, making it an excellent choice for working with large XML datasets. Here are the steps to efficiently extract information from a large number of XML files. First, you need to iterate through the directory containing your XML files. You can use the OS module to list all XML files in a directory. For each XML file, use lxml to parse it into an elementtree object. This step should be performed inside a loop for each file. You can extract information by navigating the elementtree structure. Access elements and attributes using methods like find, findall, and get. Wrap your extraction code in appropriate error handling to ensure that any malformed XML files or unexpected issues won't crash your script. To further enhance efficiency, consider the following strategies. XPath is a powerful language for selecting elements in an XML document. It allows you to extract specific data more efficiently. If you have a large number of XML files, consider using multithreading or multiprocessing to process them concurrently, taking advantage of multi-core CPUs. Efficiently extracting information from a large number of XML files in Python can be achieved by using the lxml library. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and optimizing your code, you can efficiently process and extract data from XML files, even when dealing with a large dataset. ChatGPT.